Switzerland. This small country punches above its weight. Towering mountains pierce the sky. Crystal clear lakes reflect their majesty. Switzerland is a feast for the eyes. Every turn offers a new postcard view. From snow-capped peaks to lush green valleys, Switzerland has it all. Wildflowers paint the meadows in vibrant colors. Waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, their roar echoing through the valleys. This is nature at its most raw and powerful. Switzerland is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails crisscross the country, offering breathtaking views. Bike paths wind through vineyards and charming villages. The air is fresh and invigorating. It's a place to reconnect with nature and recharge your soul. As the sun sets, tranquility envelops the land. Under a starry sky, Switzerland's beauty never fades. Winter in Switzerland is magical. The Alps transform into a winter wonderland. Skiers from around the world flock to Switzerland's slopes. Zermatt, nestled at the foot of the Matterhorn, is iconic. Challenge yourself on its world-class slopes. St. Moritz, with its glamorous reputation, offers a different kind of skiing experience. Picture yourself sipping champagne after a day on the slopes. The atmosphere is electric, the skiing exhilarating. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, Switzerland has a slope for you. But skiing is not the only game in town. Try snowshoeing through silent forests. Ice skate on frozen lakes surrounded by towering peaks. Warm up in cozy chalets with a mug of hot chocolate. Winter in Switzerland is pure magic. Experience the breathtaking beauty of the Swiss Alps. Every turn reveals a new adventure. Create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. Switzerland's beauty goes beyond its natural wonders. Step back in time in its historic cities. Zurich, the country's largest city, is a blend of old and new. Explore its cobbled streets and medieval architecture. Visit the Kunsthaus Zurich, home to world-class art. Geneva, situated on the shores of Lake Geneva, is a global city with a rich history. Discover its international organizations and elegant boutiques. Visit the iconic Jet d'eau, a towering fountain that shoots water high into the air. Bern, the capital of Switzerland, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its medieval center is remarkably well preserved. Stroll along its arcaded streets and admire its ornate fountains. Switzerland's history is rich and fascinating, waiting to be discovered. Discover the majestic castles that dot the Swiss landscape, each with its own story to tell. Switzerland is synonymous with luxury. Experience it firsthand on the Glacier Express. This iconic train journey takes you through the heart of the Alps. Panoramic windows offer unparalleled views of snow-capped peaks, glaciers, and charming villages. Indulge in world-class dining experiences. Switzerland is a foodie's paradise. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy mountain huts serving traditional dishes, there's something for every palate. Savor the flavors of Swiss chocolate and cheese. Stay in luxurious hotels offering breathtaking views and impeccable service. Treat yourself to a spa day and rejuvenate in natural thermal baths. Switzerland is the perfect destination for a luxurious and unforgettable getaway. Discover the art of Swiss watchmaking, a symbol of precision and elegance. Explore high-end boutiques and indulge in Swiss fashion. Section 5. Alpine Majesty, mountains and lakes that take your breath away. The Swiss Alps are, honestly, a sight to behold. Majestic peaks, some reaching over 4,000 meters, dominate the landscape. Glaciers, remnants of the last ice age, carve their way through the valleys. The air is thin and, well, the views are breathtaking. Switzerland is also home to countless lakes. Lake Geneva, the largest lake in Western Europe, sparkles under the sun. Take a boat trip and admire the vineyards and charming villages that dot its shores. Lake Lucerne, with its fjord-like beauty, is another must-see. Surrounded by mountains, these lakes offer a sense of tranquility. Go for a swim, try your hand at stand-up paddleboarding, or simply relax and soak up the views. The Swiss Alps and lakes offer endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. As the sun sets, the golden hues reflect on the lakes, creating a magical end to your day. Section 6. The Swiss Standard, where quality of life reigns supreme. Switzerland is renowned for its high quality of life. The country consistently ranks among the top in the world for happiness, safety, and well-being. The Swiss value efficiency, cleanliness, and a strong work-life balance. Public transportation is efficient and reliable, healthcare is top-notch, education is highly valued. The Swiss enjoy a high standard of living. Walking through Swiss cities, you'll notice a sense of order and cleanliness. People are generally friendly and welcoming. The pace of life is slower than in many other parts of the world. Switzerland offers a refreshing change of pace. It's a place where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy the finer things in life. Section 7. Clean and green Switzerland's commitment to the environment. The Swiss take great pride in their environment. Recycling is second nature. Public transportation is widely used. Renewable energy sources are being actively developed. Switzerland is committed to preserving its natural beauty. Hiking trails are well maintained. Lakes and rivers are clean and clear. The air quality is excellent. Switzerland is a shining example of how to live in harmony with nature. Its commitment to sustainability sets an example for the world. By choosing to travel sustainably in Switzerland, you can minimize your impact on this pristine environment. Opt for public transportation, pack a reusable water bottle, and support local businesses. Together, we can preserve Switzerland's beauty for generations to come. Embrace the Swiss way of life and contribute to a greener planet. Section 8. A culinary journey. Tasting the flavors of Switzerland. Swiss cuisine is a delightful blend of hearty mountain fare and sophisticated city dining. Cheese, of course, takes center stage. From Gruyere to Emmental, there's a cheese for every taste. Try raclette, a dish where melted cheese is scraped onto potatoes. Chocolate is another Swiss specialty. Indulge in smooth, rich Swiss chocolate. Visit a chocolate factory and learn the art of chocolate making. Don't miss out on fondue, a social dining experience where bread is dipped into melted cheese. For a taste of Swiss tradition, try Rösti, a crispy potato dish. Wash it down with a local wine. Switzerland produces excellent wines, particularly white wines from the Valais region. A culinary journey through Switzerland is a feast for the senses. And don't forget the pastries, a sweet end to your Swiss culinary adventure. Section 9. Switzerland. Your unforgettable adventure awaits. Switzerland is a country of contrasts. Towering mountains and serene lakes, bustling cities and charming villages, ancient history and modern innovation, luxurious experiences and simple pleasures. Switzerland has something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Switzerland won't disappoint. Indulge in its culinary delights. Switzerland is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of Switzerland. Your unforgettable adventure awaits.